55 plus neighborhood one-level condo designed for no maintenance, living in the wonderful community of the villas at Five Forks, close to shopping, dining, Capitol Bike Trail, downtown Williamsburg and New Town. Enjoy the maintenance-free lifestyle in this community. Lovely amenities. Great floor plan. Soaring ceilings, wood floors and beautiful granite. The open floor plan of this sophisticated home flows nicely from room to room. The kitchen is a chef's delight. Ample counter space, loads of cabinets. To the rear of the kitchen is office space, plus a large laundry room and a storage closet. There is a light-filled sun-room. Custom plantation shutters. The master bedroom is spacious. Vaulted ceiling, walk-in closet and a beautiful customized bath. Lovely tiled shower, double sink vanity. The second bed